What's going on, guys? Welcome to another freaking video. So in this video I actually talked to you guys about what I have been feeling lately, and here's the setup. As you guys can see, hopefully pretty awesome, right? Let me just show you from this angle. I believe the lighting is pretty awesome. So without wasting any further time, let's get into this video. So basically what I have been feeling lately is like I've been feeling like mentally stuck. I have been pretty physically demotivated because the only reason that I feel is that I haven't been able to get a good enough workout in as of now. I've been making these motivational videos, but I haven't been able to actually work on myself in terms of those specific pointers that I've given you guys. I was just sitting down, like I just got back from work. I was sitting down and I was actually thinking, I have been making such systems for me, and have I actually been able to work on those? I feel like I haven't been able to put in 100% of the potential that I actually have in order to make the outcome into a 100% thing. So what I wanted to do here is, in this video, get my body to start moving again, and I have given myself a small deadline that would be basically 6 days, 6 to 7 days, because after 6 to 7 days I've made this system in such a way that in 6 to 7 days I should be ready in order to hit a really good, amazing gym workout. And my hand's getting tired, just give me a second. So yeah, I'm not sure if that looks something weird, but I have been holding it like in such a way, like it's really fucking awkward. Okay, back on the topic. So what I have done is, for this short system I have made, that I will be coming back from work. First thing I'll do is get good amount of electrolytes in me, get enough hydrated, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get into a normal workout. Workout will be consisting of at least 100 to 150 push-ups the entire day. But I haven't been able to hit the gym, or maybe get up to the strength, so I'm not sure how many I can get in one set. I'll be making sure to try getting 100 push-ups in one set, and then I'll make sure to do that set for 2 times the entire day, because I feel that push-ups is one of the amazing exercises that can help you get your strength back entirely for the entire body, even for your core. So that's what I'll be focusing in, and after that I've given myself like 2 months in order to get in the best shape of my life, and I will be taking you guys through the entire journey for 2 months. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video and get the workout in. So what we'll be focusing on is keeping our back straight, putting your hips a little above your back, and making sure that the elbows are not going outward, instead keeping it inward, and making sure that you're doing the full reps. So let's get into the workout. Let's see how many I can get in one set. That's 50. Okay, that's 70. I think I'm gonna take a pause. Whew. That was intense. Let's get into the second round of the push-ups, of course. That's 90, I believe, or 100, I believe, not even sure. Alright guys, since I have done 100 push-ups in 2 sets, it was like 70 and then 30 in the next set. I will be going ahead and giving another set a try and see how many reps I can get in the third set. And given that I'm actually really tired because I haven't been to the gym or maybe doing the push-ups that consistently, or the number of push-ups were not up to the mark, but still I'm gonna go ahead and give the third set another try and let's see how much I can get. Ah, shit. That's 20. So it's 120 as of now. Shit. That was 140, guys. Five more to go in order to make it 150. Oh, God, that was fucking exhausting. Shit. Alright, let's see guys, hopefully I am definitely in the frame because I've just adjusted the angle in the previous clip right there, and I was able to fix it right now. So this is the current physique update that all you guys can see, but I definitely agree with all of you that I have lost a lot of muscle, but I'm tending to get all of it back and even more in the next 2 months. So this is the current physique. Again, my obliques are gone, lower abdominal muscle entirely fucked to nothing. And this is the tricep, again tricep even worse. My back, I've lost a lot of back muscle as well because I haven't been able to work on my back because I don't have any kind of equipment. I'm just going ahead and getting the push-ups in and seeing if I am jacked enough or I can get back the entire muscle mass in about 2 months, and I am getting an optimistic feeling that I will be able to. So, and with that guys, we are done with this workout and this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, comment down below if you have decided to move up your ass and get to working out, because there's no perfect time to start working out. It's just that, you know, you have to get a click in, get motivated, and just get into the first push-up. The first step would be, you know, getting into the motion, even if it's like for 2 or 3 reps or something, or maybe in terms of any other aspect of your life. You just need to go ahead and get started. Just put one step and you'll be automatically getting the momentum in order to move forward, and you'll be able to, shit, I'm out of breath. And once you get the momentum, you'll definitely be able to move up to the step, move up another step, and, you know, overcome that habit of you procrastinating in order to do one fucking step. Cool? Yeah. That's it guys. What else are you waiting for?